Hi everyone, here we've got a HTC Desire 12 Plus and let me show you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and as you can see on this option bar, on the second position we've got the timer. Now it is off because this icon is crossed out, so let's tap on it, and here we've got some options to choose from. We can set either 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick for example 10 seconds delay. Simply tap on the time you want to use. As you can see, the icon has changed, so let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. Let's tap on this timer icon and let's choose for example 5 seconds. Let's tap on the shutter button, and the same situation, but now it is counting down from 5. Of course, if you want to turn off the timer, just tap here and choose this cross out icon. Now let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will take photos right after touching it. So that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your HTC Desire 12 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.